Hi buddies, welcome to today's video from EduSpark English. Before we enjoy the heartwarming story, Cooking from the Heart, let's learn some key vocabulary words. Vocabulary. Crockpot. Noun. A slow cooker used to make meals over time. E.g. I made chicken in the crockpot, and it tasted great. Nervous. Adjective. Feeling worried or scared about something. E.g. She felt nervous about cooking for the big family dinner. Secret. Noun. Something you don't want others to know. E.g. Her secret was that she couldn't actually cook. Recipe. Noun. A set of instructions for preparing food. E.g. Her sister-in-law asked for the chicken recipe. Effort. Noun. The energy or work you put into doing something. E.g. She put a lot of effort into learning how to cook. Think, pair, share. 1. What is a food that reminds you of home or family? 2. Do you think cooking is more about skill or love? Why? 3. Can learning something new help bring people closer together? Cooking from the heart. When I met my soon-to-be husband's son Liam, he asked, "Do you like hamburger helper? It's all my dad cooks." I smiled. "I can cook." Liam asked, "What can you make?" "Lots of things," I said. "What do you like?" "Everything except hamburger helper," he said. I laughed. "We'll be fine," Liam told his dad. "Mark, marry her." Soon Mark and I married. I moved from Chicago to his Indiana farmhouse. Our kids got along, sometimes happy, sometimes fighting. Mark was great, but I had a secret. I couldn't cook. I made easy foods like spaghetti and grilled burgers, but winter was coming and I couldn't grill. I was nervous. Then I found a crock pot. It was great. I cooked chicken with soup mix. Mark ate it and said, "Yum! What's it called?" I checked a cookbook. "Perfect breasts." He laughed. "Make it again." I found easy 5-ingredient recipes online. My daughters liked them. I got better at cooking. Then came Mark's birthday. His family loves big dinners. About 40 people, including my mother-in-law Susan, came expecting good food. I was scared. I made chicken in crock pots, noodles, green beans, and bread from a tube. I bought a cake too. Susan ate the chicken and smiled. Everyone liked it. Mark's sister Emma asked for the recipe. I said, "It's so easy." She said, "Easy is great." Susan said, "You made this, so you're a good cook." Cooking with our heart was like joining their family. I was happy to be there. Let's see how well you understood the story by answering the questions below. Let's check. A. Choose the correct answer to each question. 1. What was Liam's opinion about hamburger helper? A. He didn't like it. B. He had never tried it. C. He wanted to learn to cook it. D. He loved it too. What was the woman's secret? A. She had no job. B. She couldn't cook. C. She didn't like kids. D. She hated Indiana. 3. What tool helped her feel confident in cooking? A. Frying pan. B. Blender. C. Crockpot. D. Microwave. 4. How did the family react to her birthday meal? A. They didn't eat it. B. They were disappointed. C. They only ate the cake. D. They loved it. 5. What did the story teach about cooking? A. Cooking with love makes a difference. B. Expensive meals are the best. C. You need to go to cooking school. D. Cooking is only for experts. B. Indicate whether each question below is true or false. 1. She used a crock pot to cook chicken. 2. The recipe name made Mark laugh. 3. Her meal didn't go well with the family. 4. The story shows that effort and love can connect people. Now it's your turn to speak. Share your own experience with learning something new. Let's speak. Talk about a time you tried to learn something new. You should say what it was, why you wanted to learn it, how you felt afterward. Time to practice your writing. Tell us how learning something, like cooking, helped you connect with people around you. Let's write. Write a paragraph or essay about how cooking or learning something new helped you connect with others. Your paragraph should include what you learned, how you felt, what it meant to those around you. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And of course, follow or subscribe to EduSpark English for more English lessons.